So today I made this amazing wreath. This is a farmhouse wreath that I made it, and this is how it looks in the back. You can either hang it like this, or I made a little holder for it where I can just hang it on my door. And all of the materials are from Dollar Tree, and I will show you how to make it. It was really easy and really fun. And also I'll show you exactly on my channel. I will be showing exactly how many products or items do you need for the projects, because occasionally, sometimes when I'm looking and I'm interested in something, I don't know how many flowers do I need to buy, or how many, how much it will take to make this. So I don't want to get a ton of it and then waste a lot. But this is what I made. If you're interested in how I made this for whatever, it doesn't have to be a Valentine's Day. It could be just a house decoration. Then stay tuned. So for this project, you will need 7 of the white flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I used only one flower from the pink one. So if you want to make a center, because I tried with the white one and I kind of want a little dimension showing, so I used one of the rose color. And we'll need a ribbon if you want to make a holder, and you'll need a rope, and of course you need a glue gun. So that's all you need. Also, I bought this little thing. This is what it looks like. I got it on the Amazon a while ago, and this is perfect for using glue gun on it, because anything that drips on it, you just wipe it off and it comes off. So I love it for most of my projects. So that's all you need. I guess 7, and a rope would be 8, and a ribbon would be 9. So $9 to create this amazing wreath. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to do it, step-by-step instruction. Okay, so you'll take and cut off the tags, and then I took off all the flowers from the the bouquet. Then I got the rope, I took it out, and with my glue gun, I'm gonna be filling it the middle of the heart, kind of going in the shape of the heart. So I left the middle open, and now I'm going to be gluing all my flowers to inner portion of the heart. Now, since I am finished with the inner portion, I will go all the way around the shape of the heart. And that is pretty much it. Then I tried with the white centerpiece for the middle, and I really didn't like it, so I took it off and substituted for the pink one. I thought it looks better. And then I added a ribbon as a holder, and that was all. All right, so that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the wreath. This is how it looks in the back. I'm thinking to do something to cover it, or you don't have to, because it's just gonna hang on my door. I don't know if I'm gonna cover it. It doesn't look that bad, but I love it. It wasn't that hard. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe we'll try recreate, then let me know. But otherwise, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a like if you liked it. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next one very soon. Bye.